औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ MCQs रिलेटेड टू वर्ल्ड पर्सनैलिटीज़। These MCQs are very important for CSS screening test, PMS, PCS, FPSC and other competitive exams. Let's get started. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan did his PhD from Leuven University of Belgium. The correct answer is C, Belgium. Leo Tolstoy was novelist and philosopher. Russian. The correct answer is A, Russian. Leo Tolstoy was Russian novelist and philosopher. Fidel Castro remained president of Dash for more than 35 years. The correct answer is B, Cuba. Fidel Castro remained president of Cuba for more than 35 years. Umar Khayyam was a Persian dash. The correct answer is B, poet. Umar Khayyam was a Persian poet. Sigmund Freud was a great psychologist. The correct answer is C, Sigmund Freud was a great psychologist. Who was known as father of modern psychology? The correct answer is D, Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud was known as father of modern psychology. Who was known as man of destiny? The correct answer is A, Napoleon was known as man of destiny. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on. The correct answer is A, special theory of relativity. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. The correct answer is B. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Saudi billionaire Osama bin Laden made his money through which business? The correct answer is D, construction. Saudi billionaire Osama bin Laden made his money through construction. He was granted 1093 patents for inventions ranging from the light bulb, typewriter, and electric fan to the phonograph, motion picture camera, and alkaline storage battery. When he died in 1931, he left 3,500 notebooks containing thousands of new product ideas. Who was he? The correct answer is A, Thomas Edison. Software king Bill Gates was a dropout from which university? The correct answer is A, Harvard. Software king Bill Gates was a dropout from Harvard University. Who gifted $85 lakh to the UNO to buy 18 acres of land in New York City as the site for building a permanent headquarters? The correct answer is A, John D. Rockefeller. Who was the partner of Mona Lisa? The correct answer is A, Leonardo da Vinci. Sun Yat-sen was the first president of the Chinese Republic. The correct answer is A, first president of the Chinese Republic. Bata Shoe Organization, the parent company of Bata Pakistan, is an Canadian company. Who is called the founder of chemistry? The correct answer is B, Jabir bin Hayyan is called the founder of chemistry. The acid prepared by Jabir bin Hayyan is sulfuric acid. Who was an experienced surgeon? The correct answer is C, Muhammad bin Zakaria al-Razi. Inertia of matter was identified by. The correct answer is D, Ibn al-Hisham.